Hello and welcome viewers. Today's video's topic is nature and definition of crime. So first we need to understand what law is, and then we will move towards understanding what is a crime and discuss its various aspects. So what is a law? Traditionally we know that a law to be a command enjoining a course of conduct. मतलब लॉ एक ऐसा नियमों का समूह है जो मानव व्यवहार को नियंत्रित करता है. Here you have seen the word command. Let's discuss it in brief. So command can be of sovereign or of a political superior to political inferiors, or it may be the command of a legally constituted body or a legislation emanating from a duly constituted legislature to all the member of the society. Now let's understand this with the examples. So sovereign could be a king. Like in ancient and medieval time, their laws were applicable to their subjects. Second is political superior. You can take the example of Taliban. Third is legally constituted body. Take the example of constitutional and non-constitutional body in India. Fourth is legislature. You can take India's example, like here the parliament make laws for all of us. Now we can come to understand what crime is. So it is an act which is both forbidden by laws and revolting to the moral sentiments of the society. Here you can see two important keywords. First, forbidden by law, and the second, moral sentiments. Now we will understand these keywords one by one. Forbidden by laws. So, mere disobedience to the law will not constitute a crime. For example, mere breach of a contract. This will not going to make someone criminal. Second, someone disobeyed the inheritance laws. That too will not make someone criminal. But when you disobey plus revolt against the moral sentiments of a society, that will make you a criminal. For example, crime like murder, theft, robbery. In these crimes, someone will held liable for his act. Now, let's understand moral sentiment. This term looks easy, but it has very wide nature. I'll try to explain with respect to law. This term is very flexible. How? We will see that. Moral sentiment may change according to time, place, and reason. We will see them one by one. Time. In ancient time, hearsay, which means someone had other beliefs than rest of the society, was a crime. Many great philosophers and scientists were burnt alive for this. But in modern time, it does not constitute any crime. Second example could be sati. In ancient and medieval time, people used to take pride in practicing sati, which means burning the widow woman alive. But now it attracts penal provision. Now come to place. According to the place, moral sentiments or the virtue of the people change. For example, adultery is not a crime in many Western countries, but it is illegal in India. Now, let's understand about the religious sentiments. Polygamy was allowed in Hindu earlier, but now Hindu Marriage Act 1955 made it illegal. In Christian personal laws also it is not allowed, but Muslims practice polygamy and does not hurt their moral sentiment. So, you have seen how the keywords used in the definition changes. We can say a crime of yesterday may become a virtue tomorrow, and so also a virtue of yesterday may become a crime tomorrow.